Hi friends, Teresa Meyer here. Did you know that we can change our mindset from fixed to growth? And when we do, it leads to increased motivation and academic success. At this year's Summer Institute, we'll be looking at several techniques in classroom management, behavior, and growth mindset for ourselves and our students. We'll explore specific strategies on how to help your students gain confidence in themselves, how to help them increase their efforts in academic, and how to help them improve their social skills and develop habits toward being productive in the classroom. We will also look at the do's and don'ts and how to provide constructive feedback to your students. You'll be amazed at the difference you see in your classroom. So won't you join us at Holy Cross, June 19th through the 21st at this year's Summer Institute, entitled Let's Teach. For more information to register, go to joyofclass.org. We look forward to seeing you.